Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, mayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Matapos matalo kay Cuadro Alas noong Agosto, ay isang Pinoy ulit ang kakalabanin nitong former 2 Division champion at 2 times Olympic gold medalist na si Guillermo El Chacal Rigondeaux. At ang Pinoy na makakalaban niya ay ang tubong Jinsan, binansagang asero na si VINCENT ASTROLABIO. May kasalukuyang record itong si ASTROLABIO na 16 wins, 3 losses, 12 via knockout, 24 pang edad at 5'5 ang tangkad. Habang itong si Guillermo Rigondeaux ay napakabeterano na sa larangan. May professional record na 20 wins, 2 losses, 13 via knockout. Pero ang amateur record nito ay nakakamangha. 475 na laban at 12 lang dito ang talo. May edad na 41 at 5'4 ang tangkad. 17 years ang agwat ng edad ng dalawa. Parang tatay na ni ASTROLABIO itong si Guillermo Rigondeaux mga pre. Sa kasalukuyan, ranked number 10 itong si ASTROLABIO sa WBO, habang ranked number 9 naman si Rigo sa WBC. Sa Dubai gaganapin ang bakbakan ngayong paparating na February 26. Kilalang magaling at mabilis itong si Guillermo Rigondeaux noon. Pero sa kanyang edad na 41 ngayon ay marami na daw ang nagbago. Makikita sa laban niya kay Cuadro Alas na mabilis pa rin si Rigo, mabilis tumakbo. Itong si ASTROLABIO naman ay batang-bata pa. Uhaw na uhaw sa panalo at sa titulo. Agresibo at may pusong mandirigma. Ang laban nila ay para sa bakanting WBC International Bantamweight title. Makikita sa YouTube channel ni Mike Plania na ginawa siyang sparring partner ni Rigondeaux bilang paghahanda sa laban niya kay ASTROLABIO. Napakalaking oportunidad ni ASTROLABIO ang laban na to. Magiging susi ito na mas makilala siya sa mundo ng boxing at makakuha pa ng mas malalaking laban. Panoorin natin ang ilan sa mga highlights ng kani-kanilang mga laban.
Turned about. Another series of left hands. RigondeuX may be the one who came all the way out there and he steered Noriega. Round number 1. That counter right hook was an example. And there's a straight left that got RigondeuX with that jab. There's the medalist. And Noriega.
Nasabihan, pwede natin makuha yung PLDT as sponsor para magkabit sila ng fiber. Ano meron? Si Gandhi po ang ating man in the middle. Uy! Nahilo.
Maybe steal portions of the round. You see him improve and work on it, as I said in the top. And there's a good counter punch as he steps back and creates a little gap. Wins has come against a loadout. Sometimes with certain kind of fighters, they say Andrade is just acted up. As he goes down, RigondeuX has not learned how to do that too much.
Tough body shot, and now Andrade opts to go down, and now he's wincing in pain. He does get up. Didn't seem like it was a particularly vicious shot.
Se está limando su por pierna, no dándole un blanco fijo. Colocando, lo está midiendo, lo está esperando que entre. Ahí entra con esas izquierdas que siguen entrando. Lo vemos otra vez.
La pelea va a seguir atacando, pero la velocidad de Rigondeaux.
Antes, como lo sale
Jabs by ASTROLABIO. These two fighters are complementing each other. The more aggressive Calamba moving forward by ASTROLABIO, allowing him, inviting him. An uppercut by ASTROLABIO drops Calamba, and you see that right here on our camera. Manny Pacquiao Davao Boxing Gym. This is pound for pound. You see the best. Another knockdown scored by ASTROLABIO. ASTROLABIO punched at the right moment while Calamba was opening up with his own punch. And that attack of ASTROLABIO caught Calamba on the shoulder.
And pull it out with a knockout win. Oh, big left hand by RigondeuX. And Ramos is in trouble. He's down. RigondeuX lands another straight left hand and pushes Ramos back again. Ramos against the ropes, in some trouble. Another left hand. They are raining down on him. And here comes RigondeuX. And there...
accumulating points.
And there you see that power. I mean,
Another great straight left hand, and Kennedy buckled. He buckles again on another one. And Tion Kennedy may have trouble staying on his feet here in the first round if he keeps taking the kinds of shots that RigondeauX is putting on him now. Kennedy fires back. Russell Moore was fascinating the way he set up the up. Remarkable right there. Another combination. Knockdown number 4. Every one of them on a...
Impresionante pelea la revisada. ¡Ey! Hay un cabezazo.
Sí, no, sí, sí.
Ahí
sí.
chocan los guantes. ¡Ey! ¡Cuidado!
product of the Everton Red Triangle Gym. He can't allow himself to be overawed, can't allow himself to be intimidated.
Practically cheated. Good left hand there from RigondeauX. Sharp.
Пытается запугать кубинца с первых секунд.
Причем, обратите внимание, он все время находится...
Левый прямой. Навстречу пытался поймать Ригонда.
Еще раз уже пытался провалить.
Левый снизу попал. И левый сбоку донес. И это нокаут.
In a row. Stop it if he gets hit with that much more. Oh my goodness.
He's hurt there. Oh, he's hurt.
Oh! And save!
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.